Hello guys, welcome once again to Study Street. Hope that you all must be fine and studying at home. Try to be helpful to everyone. Okay, now today guys, as it is mentioned here that we are going to study about the pronouns and its kinds. In the previous class and previous exercise, I had told you that it is very important to know about the parts of the speech. Part of speech is very important guys. Okay, in exercise 3 we are going to study about the pronouns and its kinds and its uses guys. In the beginning, whenever we had studied about the parts of the speech, article, whenever we started to touch the grammar portion guys, we had studied about the parts of speech, okay, and its kinds. So this is the second part here, the pronoun. What we are going to study today, we are going to study about types of pronouns and types of pronouns and its uses. Okay, as we all know that pronoun are words that can replace, stand for, or refer to a noun phrases in a sentence guys. In a simple sentence, a pronoun is a word which comes in place of a noun. It is in a simple way. Now guys, types of noun. So we are going to touch this guys today. Personal pronoun, possessive, demonstrative, interrogative, relative and indefinite pronouns guys. Okay, this we are going to study and its uses. So guys, before starting this, I would like to request you all guys to please do not skip the video and watch. And thank you very much for commenting one, to being in touch guys. Try to be in touch with me. I too take out my time to reply to your comments guys. I would like to request you all guys to please subscribe the channel first. Okay? And please guys press the bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my video guys. Like my video, share my video guys. Okay? Shall we start guys? Guys, please once again I am requesting you, please do not skip the video and watch. Do not do this guys, never, please. Okay, come now let us start guys. Types of pronouns. A pronoun, suppose that in a simple language I am trying my level best to take you all in a very simple way guys. Okay, what is a pronoun? Pronoun, it is in the second place in the parts of the speech. A pronoun is a word which comes in place of a noun, or here pronoun are words that can replace, stand for or refer to a noun. Okay, noun phrases in a sentence. Suppose that Ram is a good boy, I can write instead of Ram is a masculine gender here. According to gender we can change the wording subject here. Ram is a good boy, so we can say that he is a good boy. Sita is a good girl. Instead of Sita is a masculine gender here, a feminine gender. Instead of Sita we can use she here. Okay, now here types of pronoun: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronouns and indefinite pronoun. We are going through this. Okay, shall I start my class now? Come guys, personal pronoun. Okay, now concentrate and sit down guys. I am requesting you. Now I have started guys. Okay, please concentrate and sit down guys. Okay, and please do not skip the video. Come. Personal pronouns are pronouns that function as the subject or the object. Okay, in a sentence. Okay, once again I am repeating. Personal pronouns are pronouns that function as the subject or the object in a sentence. There are two types of personal pronoun. First is personal pronoun, okay, subjective, and second is objective. Here I have mentioned personal pronouns are of two types, okay, subjective and objective. Guys, once again, I have mentioned here, I have written in all capital alphabets has been used here. I have used here all capital alphabets. Please, you don't do that. This so, okay, this I have written for you to watch the video carefully, okay, and to understand. See, personal pronouns are of two types, subjective and objective. Do you know that how many subjective are there? Suppose that I, you, we, they, okay, he, she, it. These are all personal, these are all subjective pronouns. Objective, I will turn into me in a simple matter. I will turn into me, we changes into us, you never changes, okay, he will change into him, okay, she is changed into her, they is changed into them, etc. Once again I am repeating, subjective, how many personal pronouns are there? There are two personal pronouns. First is subjective and second is objective. First is objective and second is objective. Subjective is I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Okay? And objective, I will change into me. Okay? We will change into us. You is never changed. He is changed into him. She is changed into her. Okay? They is changed into them. Okay? Any doubt? Guys, if you have any doubt, go to the comment box. As usual, you used to go. Drop some comment. Okay? In my next video, I will clarify it. Okay? Come to the next one. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun is very easy, guys. Okay? See the definition, I have mentioned it here. If possible, mention these definitions in your copy. Make a fair copy, write in a good writing, in a neat writing. Okay, if possible, mention the date. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are words that refer to the position. Pronouns such as mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs are examples of possessive pronoun. Whose is this pen? Belongs to? This pen belongs to. It's mine. It's yours. It's his. Okay? These are all examples of possessive pronouns. Once again I am repeating, possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are words that refer to possession. Pronouns such as mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs are examples of possessive pronouns. Example, this pen belongs to whose? This is his. His, which I am saying, this is his marker. This is his marker. So his is the example of possessive pronoun. Clear? Next is demonstrative pronoun. Even the demonstrative pronoun is very easy, guys. See the definition, I have mentioned it here. Demonstrative pronouns are words that identify nouns in a sentence. Nouns in a sentence. Examples I have given here. This, that, these, those. Okay, this is a pen, that is a pen. These are pens, those are pens. These are the examples of demonstrative pronoun. Okay, guys, any doubt if you face in this? If you are facing any problem, just go to the comment box, guys. Okay, and drop a comment. Once again, go from the first, second, third. Once again I am repeating, personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are pronouns that functions as the subject or the object in a sentence. For example, okay, personal pronouns are two types here. Subjective. Suppose that, for example, anything you can write. Personal pronouns are of two types, subjective and objective. I, you, we, they, he, she, it, they. Okay. Objective, I will change into me, we changes into us, you is never changed, he is changed into him, she is changed into her, they is changed into them, and etc. Go. Carry on. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are words that refer to possession. Pronouns such as mine, ours, yours, okay, his, hers, theirs are the examples of the possessive pronoun. Next is demonstrative pronoun. Even the demonstrative pronoun is very easy. Demonstrative pronouns are words that identify nouns in a sentence. Suppose that example, these, that, these, those, etc. These are the examples of demonstrative pronoun. Next, guys, is interrogative pronoun. Even the interrogative pronoun is very easy, guys. The thing is that you have to concentrate and watch the video, guys. Okay? Now, interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns definition has been mentioned here. If possible, mention it in your fair copy, guys. Interrogative pronouns such as who, what, whose. Okay, which we ask questions, guys. Those words which we ask a question: who, which, whose, whom. Okay, where, what. Okay, are words that are used for asking questions. Suppose the example I have mentioned it here. Who is the Prime Minister of your country? In this question, where is the interrogative word? The interrogative word is who here. So this is a interrogative. This is an interrogative pronoun. Next example. What is your name? Even in this sentence, what is an interrogative pronoun? Okay? Clear? Next, relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are words that are used to add information about a noun. Okay, already mentioned. Suppose that, for example, okay, now here example later on. Note, they also help to join two sentences together. Okay, for example, which, that, who, whom, and whose are relative pronouns. Okay, example has been given here. The man who came has been already mentioned. The man who came home yesterday is my friend. So here, who will be my relative pronoun? The man. What is my subject here, noun here? The man. I am talking about the man. The man. That means the man word has been already used in the sentence. The man who came home yesterday is my friend. That means the man I had already spoken about before. Okay, so the who will be my relative pronoun. Okay, it's very easy, guys. Now, once again, I would like to go through this one, relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are words that are used to add information about a noun already mentioned. Note, they also help to join two sentences together. Okay, example, which, that, who, whom, and whose are relative pronouns. Example, the man who came home yesterday is my friend. In this sentence, who is my relative pronoun. Next is, guys, indefinite article. Okay, indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to person or things in general rather than to any other specific. Okay, it is very easy. Once again, I am going through indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refers to person, things, to general rather than to anything specific. Suppose that all, any, another, anybody, somebody, someone. Okay, each, either, everybody, few, little, many, more, much, etc. Here I have mentioned twice. Okay, just clip it off one. Everybody here, sorry for that. Everybody I had mentioned it here, so I had erased it here. Once again, indefinite pronouns refer to person, things, or general rather than to anything specific. Okay, everybody knows this news. Everyone came to attend the meeting. Someone has come. Any. I have many pens. Okay, more, much. These are all examples of indefinite pronouns. Okay. Next is reflexive pronouns. Even the reflexive pronouns is very easy, guys. Words that are used for the sake of emphasis, okay, are called reflexive pronouns. Or another definition I have mentioned it here. Reflexive pronouns are pronouns that are used to refer back to the subject of the sentences. For example, myself, ourself, yourself, himself, herself. These are the examples of reflexive pronoun. Once again I am repeating this one. Reflexive pronoun, words that are used for the sake of emphasis are called reflexive pronouns. Or reflexive pronouns are pronouns that are used to refer back to the subject of the sentences. Okay, for example, myself. I have done this work myself. He himself went to Delhi. He himself went to the Mukherjee Nagar. Himself, herself, themselves, yourself. These are the examples of reflexive pronouns. Is it clear? Guys, thank you very much that you are watching my video, and please guys, I am requesting to please don't skip the video and watch. Distributive pronouns, guys. Okay, distributive pronouns, words such as each, either, neither, okay, are used to refer to persons or objects, okay, at a time, are called, what's called? Distributive pronoun. For example here, okay, to understand more, each student must wear proper uniform. Either of you can come with me. Neither of the boys came to the class. Okay, here each, either, neither are some examples of distributive pronouns. Once again, words such as each, either, neither, which are used to refer to persons or objects one at a time, okay, are called distributive pronouns. Each student must wear proper uniform. In this sentence, each is my distributive pronoun. Next is either of you can come with me. Okay, in this sentence, either will be my distributive pronoun. Next is the last example is here. Neither of the boys came to the class. So neither is my distributive pronouns. Okay, go to the last one. Reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns is very easy, guys. Okay, now here words that are used to refer to two or more people who can carry out an action and are affected by its consequences at the same time are called reciprocal pronouns. For example, you can say both, otherwise, one another. Okay, these are some examples of reciprocal pronouns. Guys, go through all the pronouns. I have tried my level best to write all the definitions, guys, make you understand. If then to be you are facing problem, just go to the comment box and drop some comment, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Okay, least but not last, I would like to request you all to please download the PDF. Okay, all the pages has been scanned in the PDF. Homework has been given in the PDF, guys. Okay, and thank you once again for watching my video, guys.